Balancing bugs and issues with planned feature delivery is one of the most critical aspects of Agile and SAFe. While stakeholders often push for more functionality, unresolved bugs can silently undermine customer trust, reduce adoption, and slow down development velocity. In Agile and SAFe, the handling of bugs and issues is not just an operational necessity, but a strategic practice that directly influences long-term success. In Agile teams, bugs are treated as backlog items rather than side work. This ensures they are visible to the product owner and prioritized alongside new features. High-severity bugs that affect production or customer experience often bypass normal prioritization and get immediate attention, sometimes interrupting ongoing sprint work. Less severe issues are weighed against upcoming features to determine their value and urgency. A common practice in Agile is reserving sprint capacity for defects and issues. Teams may allocate 20 to 30% of their effort to bug resolution, leaving the rest for feature development. This approach acknowledges that defects are a continuous part of software development and prevents quality work from being perpetually postponed. The ratio can flex based on circumstances. For example, if a product suddenly experiences stability problems, bug fix capacity can be temporarily increased. The definition of done, or DoD, is also a powerful mechanism for controlling bugs. Agile teams define done to include complete testing, defect fixing, and customer acceptance. This prevents a culture of rushing features out with known issues and ensures that bugs are fixed before new work is considered complete. Over time, this minimizes the bug backlog and creates higher confidence in releases. In SAFe, bug and issue management is elevated to a program level. During program increment planning, capacity allocation is explicitly used to set aside time for defects and maintenance. This prevents the tendency to let features dominate the roadmap while bugs pile up. Program and product management work with teams to decide how much capacity is dedicated to fixing issues versus delivering new functionality, ensuring balance across the Agile release train. SAFe also applies the principle of built-in quality, which demands that bugs not be deferred or ignored. The idea is that quality cannot be tested in or fixed later. It must be embedded into daily work. As a result, teams are expected to address issues as part of their normal workflow. In practice, this means bugs are handled promptly, and any work that produces defects cannot be marked as complete until it meets agreed standards. To ensure visibility, many SAFe organizations maintain a dedicated Kanban stream for defects. This allows bugs to be tracked, prioritized, and escalated without mixing them into the feature backlog where they might get lost. Weighted shortest job first, or WSJF, is often used to evaluate bugs in terms of cost of delay, allowing critical issues to be compared directly with new features in business terms. Some organizations running SAFe also employ practices like stability sprints or bug bash events when issues accumulate. These dedicated efforts allow teams to focus entirely on clearing the backlog of bugs, restoring stability before moving forward with features. Such practices are not meant to replace continuous defect handling, but act as corrective measures when quality dips below expectations. Real-world companies reinforce these practices. For example, Netflix dedicates team capacity to on-call bug fixing, ensuring customer-facing issues never wait. Toyota follows Lean's stop-the-line principle, requiring that problems be fixed immediately to maintain product integrity. Companies like Meta and Google schedule stability weeks when unresolved issues reach critical mass, demonstrating that even the most innovative firms prioritize quality alongside features. The impact of bugs and issues is more than just technical. It's directly tied to business outcomes. Customers will quickly abandon a product that delivers new features but fails to function reliably. Moreover, unresolved bugs create technical debt, increasing the cost and effort of future work. By making defect resolution part of normal planning and capacity allocation, Agile and SAFe organizations prevent these hidden costs from crippling long-term delivery. In conclusion, handling bugs and issues in Agile and SAFe is not a side activity, but a central part of delivering value. Agile teams incorporate them into the backlog, reserve capacity for resolution, and embed them into the definition of done, while SAFe scales this approach through capacity allocation, built-in quality, and defect tracking systems. Organizations that prioritize bug fixing alongside features protect customer trust, sustain development velocity, and ensure long-term product success. Features may grab attention, but it is the careful handling of bugs and issues that keeps products viable and valuable over time.